All right, this one's going to be a really short video, super short. We all know about these, the Rode Smart Lav. They're friggin' ridiculous, amazing, really, and they come in two parts: transmitter and receiver. This goes onto your device. This goes onto you, or you plug a lav into it. Boom, you're good to go. We also know about this bad boy right here, the Insta360 OneX, which is a spectacular camera. But there's no audio input, and there's no audio input adapter. There is no way to get audio from a microphone into this. You have to sync it in post. Not terrible, like I sync a lot of stuff in post, like this right now. I'm syncing this in post because I'm using these for demonstration purposes. Totally not a big deal, except for the fact that this is probably the easiest to use and kind of the most fun camera I've used in a long time. A little bit of a learning curve, whatever. Anyway, here's what I'm proposing. Insta360, Rode, get together. Take this and take this, put it together as one happy little device. So maybe you make it taller. Maybe you make it a little fatter. I don't know how you would do it. Probably making it taller. The skinniness, I suppose, is a big deal. But you two get together, figure out how to put the transmitter into one of these and sell it as a single unit. And then we can go ahead and buy these separately. That would be incredible. In fact, it'd be really super cool is if you could double down on it. It would be really cool if you could double down on this and have two receivers built in to this unit here. And, you know, this kit is $200. This is $400. I would totally pay $600 for this kit. I already have paid $600 for this. Make it as one. You could probably charge a little bit more, but I didn't tell you that. Insta360 and Rode. Let's do this. I have faith in you. Told you this was going to be short. This is it. This is not a review. It's nothing.